Their real-life love story started on the Broadway stage.
Tonight we are talking to a power couple. Sandra Joseph and Ron Bohmer are living out a real-life fairy tale.
I want to know about the romance. How did it happen?
Absolute pleasure to have both of you here with us, because I do consider you both theater royalty.
You have what has been for me a message that I think so many others can relate to.
I met Sandra Joseph on the stage of the Kennedy Center Opera House in Washington, D.C., and within minutes of having our first conversation, we began to inhabit these roles. We were rehearsing the famous underground lair scene. So here's Ron Bohmer and Sandra Joseph on the stage of America's Opera House pretending to be the Phantom and Christine. Well, it turns out we had really great chemistry on stage and off stage. And a few years after this photo was taken,
Share each day, each night, each morning.
Here I am auditioning for a show about a man who wears a mask, and I'm walking in there wearing a mask myself. This time I said, I only have one goal: to drop the mask. You know, we're always looking for the ring of truth in other people, whether it's me playing a role or you sitting down with a prospective client. It's our authenticity that creates connection. And the next day my agent called and said, I don't know what you did differently, but you got the part. Think of me fondly when we've said goodbye.
The Phantom of the Opera is there inside your mind.